Hello folks, this is Liu channel. My name is Martin. I hope you have a great day. Today we make a seasoning oil. This seasoning oil is very useful. Its English name called Chinese Peppercorn Oil or Strong Peppercorn Oil. And the Chinese name is called the Huajiaoyu or Tengjiaoyu. And the main ingredient we need is the Chinese peppercorn or striped peppercorn. You can buy it from Asian market and find it. It can be red peppercorn or the green pepper, either is okay. We also need a vegetable oil, and any kind of vegetable oil is okay. And those are main ingredients we need for this seasoning oil. We add the whole package of Chinese peppercorn into the pot. So it's close. It's the whole package is close to 1 cup. This is vegetable oil, and we add so far we add 2 cups of vegetable oil to it. 2 cups of vegetable oil to it. Now we turn on the stove, and a medium flame, a little on a medium flame, and slowly to heat the peppercorn and the oil. When the peppercorn oil is heating, don't forget to use a spoon or chopstick to stir it. Okay. Just keep heating. Now you can see the peppercorn start to not slowly frying in the oil. We just wait once it's all started kind of frying. The oil is very hot, then we just turn the stove off. We just watch it very carefully, don't burn the Chinese peppercorn. When the peppercorn is slowly frying, and we use a spoon chopstick to stir it, so make sure to make all the peppercorn's flavor and release to this oil. Just watch very carefully, don't burn the peppercorn. Now you can see all the peppercorn flow to the top, and all start frying. Then we turn off the stove. We don't want to burn the peppercorn. We turn off the stove and put the lid and cover the pot, and just leave it there until it's cooled down. We can touch the pot, and the pot is not very hot, and then we turn on the stove again. Medium, go to the low medium flame, and just heat it again until the Chinese peppercorn started frying. Now you can see the Chinese peppercorn started frying again. So right now we just turn off the stove, put the lid on. Turn off the stove, put the lid on, and just let it cool down. So the processed part is all done. So we just let it cool down. Okay, once this Chinese peppercorn oil is cooled down, then we put it into our jar. Or we can put it add to our jar. When we use it, we just get the oil. We don't need to get the peppercorn. Then we seal it. So our Chinese peppercorn oil or strong peppercorn is done. When we need it, we just get a dried clean spoon. Don't get the peppercorn and get the oil and add it to our dishes to give a really good smell. So the Chinese peppercorn oil, these seasoning ingredients is done. And I hope you like it. And please subscribe, share, like, and comment. And see you next time. If you don't like this, you can use a strainer and filter and get the peppercorn away, and just you keep the oil. But I just want the peppercorn keep soaking in this oil and give more flavor to it. So it's up to you.